Hi, Gigi here, and we now have the winner of the Fat Girl Contest. Yes, that's right, the moment that you've all been waiting for. Are you ready? First prize goes to the LPS official channel. Yes, that's right, we loved your video, and you're flying all the way out here. So, just make sure you email us so we can get all the tickets ready and stuff. I know that I've contacted you, and you said you live in Maine. Long trip, right? Well, can't wait to see ya. Oh, second prize goes to Soph Rocks. Yes, that's right. Soph Rocks, we love that video. It rocks. Now, your prize is we will subscribe to you, and you will get your own video made for you by the Fat Girl Cast. Yep, that's right, by the Fat Girl Cast. Third prize goes to Haley Reed. Yes, that's right, we loved your video too. Haley Reed, we will subscribe to you and comment you. So, that's all.